Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, you learn about the application of the Part Design Boolean operation tool. The available options for this tool are Fuse, Cut, and Common. You also learn the several ways to invoke this tool. Part Design Boolean imports one or more part design bodies designated as tool bodies into the active part design body and applies a Boolean operation, fuse, cut, or common. This tool is used to add, remove, or to find the common material between the active body and the tool bodies. Here you find the Boolean operation options and their definitions. In this picture right side, you see the Boolean option called common. I will show you later some examples for each of the options. Here you find the several ways to invoke the Boolean operation tool and the steps to apply this tool. First, activate the body, which is to receive the Boolean feature, and follow the steps as shown here. Here we have three different bodies. The first example is about the option fuse. Now, activate the body, which is to receive the Boolean feature. Press the Boolean operation button. The activated body temporarily disappears from the 3D view to facilitate tool body selection. In Boolean parameters, click on the Add Body button and select the body to use in the Boolean feature. Repeat to add more bodies. Then select the type of Boolean operation in the drop-down menu, Fuse, and then press OK button. All bodies are merged together. Option Fuse means merge all bodies together. The next example is about the Boolean operation option Cut. This option subtracts the tool body or bodies from the active body. Again, activate the body, which is to receive the Boolean feature. Here add the other bodies to the active body. Now, select the option Cut. That means the Cut option removes material from the active body. Don't forget to subscribe the video. Thanks! The next example is about the option Common. Common option extracts the intersection from the selected body or bodies with the active body. The option Common works with more than one tool body. Make one of the bodies active. Apply the same procedure. The second option to invoke the Boolean tool is from Part Design menu. Now select the option Common. This is the common or intersection body between the two bodies. Now, I will show you the function of the option remove. The function of the option Remove is removing a body by selecting it in the 3D view or in the tree. I will add the other bodies. To remove already added body to the active body, I will select the body in the 3D view or in the tree. Select the cylinder body. Then, press OK button. As you see, the cylinder body is not merged to the others. That is for today about the application of the Part Design Boolean tool in FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.